We begin tonight with the young girl's efforts to help kids who are affected by the Memorial Day tornadoes. An 8-year-old from Huber Heights helped organize a toy drive that collected hundreds of donations. 2 News reporter Kristen Eskow has tonight's follow-up after those toys were distributed in Harrison Township.
Devereaux, Serenity Cawley's mother says before her 8th birthday last month, she decided she wanted to collect toys for kids affected by the tornadoes instead of receiving gifts of her own. Thanks to community members and various groups, she hosted a celebration in Harrison Township as those toys were given to families.
You want to get her something from over there?
This party is decorated for a birthday.
Thank you.
But the guest of honor isn't receiving the presents.
I'm giving toys to other kids.
It was 8-year-old Serenity Cawley's idea to turn her birthday into a toy drive for children affected by the Memorial Day tornadoes.
I think it's amazing. I want to see what she turns it into, grows into, what she does as a grown woman, because she's doing this as a kid. You can imagine how big her heart is.
Serenity's mother says her daughter knows all too well what it means to face obstacles. She says the 8-year-old has had to relearn basic functions after undergoing brain surgery last year.
For her to selflessly come up with something like this on her own, without any prompts, any ideas, any hints, I just don't know what to say, except that I'm proud of her.
The toys were collected at a Huber Heights Cricket Wireless store. The manager says over the past few weeks, they collected enough toys for hundreds of kids.
Gem City stood up. I mean, we've come together, all the volunteers that have popped up, the donations that have come through the communities.
I'm overwhelmed with the amount of love that people have shown my daughter and helping her obtain the wish that she had for her birthday. I couldn't thank anybody enough.
Organizers say several groups and businesses teamed up to put on today's celebration, including some who donated food for the event. Kristen Eskow, 2 News, working for you.
Thank you, Kristen. And for more information on how you can volunteer or donate to tornado recovery efforts, just go to our website, WDTN.com, and click on the tab that's found there on the top of the homepage. And